Type 2741, press Alt+X, and you get a flower. Want colored? Use 1F33AA. Here's how. So you're typing along in Microsoft Word, and you realize you want to add a little flower symbol. Maybe it's for a card, a newsletter, or just to make your document look nicer. But you open the symbol menu and start scrolling and scrolling, and pretty soon you're wondering if there's a faster way. There absolutely is, and it takes about 2 seconds once you know the trick. I'll show you 2 Unicode codes and the Alt+X shortcut to insert both black and colored flower symbols in seconds. No hunting through menus, no copy-pasting from the internet, just you, your keyboard, and a couple of codes that will feel like magic the first time you use them. All right, let's start with the first code. Open up your Word document and position your cursor exactly where you want the flower to appear. Now, on your keyboard, type the numbers 2741. That's it, just those 4 digits. Don't hit enter, don't press space, just type them out. They might look a bit random sitting there on the page, but that's totally fine. This is the Unicode code for a very elegant, simple black flower symbol. It's one of those hidden codes that's been sitting inside Word all along, just waiting for you to discover it. Now for the fun part. Highlight those 4 numbers with your mouse or by holding Shift and using the arrow keys. And then press the Alt key and the X key at the same time. Alt+X. Watch what happens. The moment you press that combination, those numbers transform into a beautiful little flower. It's almost like a secret handshake between you and Word. That Alt+X shortcut is the key that unlocks hundreds of symbols, not just this flower. Once you know it, you've got a superpower. But what if you want something with a bit more personality? What if you want a flower that's colored and a little more vibrant? For that, you'll use a different code. Type 1F33A. That's the number 1, the letter F, the number 3, the number 3, and the letter A. It looks a bit longer and a bit more technical, but don't let that throw you. This code points to a completely different flower, one that's designed to display in color, especially in more modern versions of Word. Go ahead and type 1F33A right where you want the colored flower. Then highlight it, just like before. And now press Alt+X once more. Just like that, the code disappears, and in its place you get a lovely, colorful flower symbol. It might show up in a nice warm yellow or orange tone, depending on your version of Word. It's perfect for when you want something that pops off the page a little more. And that's really all there is to it. 2 codes, 1 shortcut, and you can drop a flower symbol into any Word document without ever opening the insert menu. The black one from code 2741 is great for more formal documents, while the colored one from 1F33A adds a nice splash of personality. I'd recommend jotting these codes down somewhere handy. In fact, you could even make a little note in a Word document and save it. That way, next time you need a flower, it's seconds away. Happy typing!